Welcome to Study Loop.
We have bond energy E equals 3 over 2 kT. So temperature comes out to be 2E over 3K. Now 2 times 3, K equals 1.38 times 10 to the minus 23. E for part A, using E equals 7.9 times 10 to the minus 4 eV, or times 1.6 times 10 to the negative 19 joule. We find the temperature equals 6.1 Kelvin. For part B, E equals 4.48 eV. 4.48 eV times this gives us temperature equals 34,600 Kelvin. Now, in the first case for hydrogen, so this is temperature of hydrogen and this is temperature of helium. So temperature of hydrogen is much less than 300 Kelvin, which means that the hydrogen bond will dissociate at room temperature. Helium. So this will dissociate at room temperature, and this will not. This is hydrogen, and this will not dissociate. This is not dissociated.